We have all had those YouTube comments that are just like, blah, 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 check out this link, or, oh my gosh, you need to refinance here, or I bought Viagra from this site over here, or you wouldn't believe what happened. Just crap comments that get into your YouTube videos, and it's obviously some spammer or bot that has infiltrated any new YouTube videos and just puts crap on your videos. Anyway, what I want to talk about today is exactly that and how to filter some of those things out. First of all, my name is Zion, and I am the founder of the Get Known service, which is a service that applies the Get Known strategy, which is a proven strategy to help entrepreneurs and small businesses get known. And it uses just basic rhythmic practices of putting out value every single week. And I support YouTubers and podcasters so that all they have to do every week is just put out great content, and myself and my team do the rest. We market it, we produce it, we slick it up, we make things look great, and we make your service and your content creation look really, really professional. If that interests you, if you want to check out what we do, click the links below. We also have a free course on how to use Canva, which I'm really passionate about. If you want to learn Canva, we have a free course. Just click the link below and we'll send it to you. So in YouTube, the very first thing you want to do is you want to go over here to your YouTube studio. So click your icon over in the top right corner, go to YouTube Studio. And from here, all you have to do is click on the settings over on the far left side. There's a settings button. Click that and it'll pull up a pane in which you can control a lot of different things about your channel. What we're going to do is go over to Community, and this is where we're going to change some things. Now there's two tabs. There's automatic filters, which is a lot of what you're going to use. And there's also something called defaults. Let's click defaults first. Right here, it says comments on your new videos. It says hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. I strongly suggest turning this on. Now, if you're somebody that doesn't care about comments at all, you can just disable all comments so nobody can put anything on there. But if you're really concerned about any kind of bots, you can say hold all comments for review, and it'll allow you to go in and approve each comment. But what I do is I like the hold potentially inappropriate. I think the algorithm that controls that is pretty good. Also, there's a button over here that says hold potentially inappropriate chat messages for review. And that is if you ever do a YouTube live stream, there's a chat window in the right side, and this is the same thing, but it's for that chat window. I would suggest turning that on. Let's go back over to the automatic filters. The main thing you need to worry about is this part right here, the hidden users and the blocked words. And this last thing, blocked links. In fact, actually, I would do this first. Make sure you check off this box, block links. If somebody puts a link in the comment, it's almost always a bot or a scammer. So you can just click that and rest assured that most likely you're going to get rid of a lot of spamming comments. So check that off, hit save. Blocked words. If you get certain blocked words over and over again, for instance, one of the ones I get a lot is people put a lot of dashes in their comments. I don't know why. Any legit person would never do that. So I'm going to put that in, hit comma, and it'll make that one of the blocked words that I'm going to have. That's a really smart thing to do. Just use any blocked words that you see over and over again, any dashes or symbols and things like that. And then if you know specific users that are problematic, put them in here, put their YouTube channel in there, and then click save. Anytime you have comments now that are inappropriate, you're going to get a notification on your YouTube channel to go in and review it. Not only can you approve it or delete it, but you can also flag it to be reviewed by YouTube as a potential harmful bot or spam. And I suggest doing this because the more we all do this together, the more we're able to control those spammers from getting into our YouTube channel, because YouTube will start deleting those channels when they see a lot of people reporting that person. So it's as simple as that. It's really not very complicated. I strongly suggest keeping comments available on your channel. I would not disable all comments. However, I would definitely set it to force you to review all potentially inappropriate comments. That's it. I hope that helped. My name is Zion. I'll talk to you next week.